Hi, YouTube didn't know, and my mom are gonna go to school on the first day of school. And a couple days earlier, they already went to the school, so they know where they're gonna be sitting. They have other teachers. I don't know who my teacher's gonna be. I'm gonna go to school first. They are gonna go later. Well, at least not right now. So I'm gonna take you to school. No, I'm not the teacher, if you're thinking that. I don't even know who our teacher's gonna be. Okay, we're in our classroom. Let's see, is this our spot? Nope, that's not our spot. No. Oh, my name's Silly. Well, actually, my name's not really Silly, but people just call me. I have to sit her down, so I'm gonna set the camera down. Sitting down. Whoa. Oh, hello, Silly. Hi, teacher. Hi, my name's Alexander, but you call me Mrs. A. Okay? Okay, then. Okay, so you friends are going to come? Yeah, my friends are going to come. Okay, I'll be up here if you need me. Ooh, a doctor. Now her sister's gonna go. Her twin sister's gonna go. Ooh. I wonder who my teacher's gonna be. I hope it's Miss Alexandra from last year. Oh, hi, Miss Alexandra. You're sitting by Sally. Yeah, I forgot. You're sitting by. I'm just gonna take you up and let's get. Right, they're gonna be watching. Look at the Irish. Actually, I don't know which way. Now, Kissy's going to be going. Molly has to wake up next. So I wonder who's going to be my teacher. Ooh, my seat. My desk, actually. I get to sit here. Ooh, my name